Hi, I'm Mrs. St. John. I'm your child's AVID teacher. AVID is an elective that's designed to help students meet the criteria to get into college. As you can see in our classroom over here, there's lots of college paraphernalia around, class pennants. You'll see extra whiteboards because twice a week we have college tutors that come and help your child understand the content in their other classes, whether it's chemistry, math, AP European history, any other class that they might be having trouble with. We're trying to teach these kids how to be successful students. Our goal is to give them a lot of background knowledge about what life is like in college. We just started learning all the different terms every college student should know. In October 29th, we're actually planning a field trip to UCLA and UC Irvine. The kids don't know that, so when you watch this video, you'll know something that they don't. And hopefully they'll be able to come. When a lot of times when kids see a college campus, that gets them excited about college, and they meet students that went to El Cajon, that attended UCLA, and they realize, wow, the students that sat in the same seats are attending an amazing school like UCLA. I'm wearing a UC Riverside shirt today. I'm recording this on a Thursday. Thursday is college day. We just look up a different college every Thursday just to find out about stuff. I want your child to have a lot of different opportunities at the end of their high school career, so they can decide what is it that I want to do, and not just be like, well, I have to get a job and pay bills. I want them to be able to go to college. College is a lot more affordable than you think. They're going to get a lot of scholarships. They're going to get a lot of assistance from the government, because I'm going to guide them to those programs that will help them. A lot of times my students will get to college, and at the end of their freshman year, that college will give them a check back because they earned so many scholarships or received so much money through FAFSA, which is a free application for school assistance. Then they needed for that freshman year, and then now they have money for the bank, money that might help the family, money that might help them get a little car. I'm looking forward. I'm going to be with these kids for all 3 years, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. And so we're going to have a fun journey together, learning about all the possibilities that are out there for when they graduate in just a few years. Have a great night. Thanks for visiting this video.